Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Go to search bar and type voice recorder and click here to open it. It will try to update the voice recorder application, so wait for it. Once done, and here you have to access your microphones. Okay, if you click here, it will start recording your voice, and click here to pause. Okay, and if you click on stop recording, it will save the file. Now if you want to share your recordings, then click here. You can also find more apps from here, and by clicking here you can crop your recordings and you can save a copy or just update a original file. Then click here to delete it, and by clicking on three dots you can just open the file location of that file, and you can also check its properties. Now close this windows, and to rename it, just click here and change its name. Click on rename. Okay, if you close this window, again go to search bar and type voice recorder and click here. By clicking on this icon, you can record a new file. Let's stop recording, and here we go. A new record file is saved here. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.